Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the coolant air bleeder on a Chrysler 300. First, gather your tools, including a new bleeder valve, a 5-gallon drain pan, and a few basic wrenches. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns from hot coolant or steam. Locating the bleeder valve is your initial step, usually near the thermostat housing or upper radiator hose connection. Now, let's drain some coolant. Place your drain pan under the radiator drain plug and open it, allowing about 1/4 of the coolant to flow out. This prevents spills when you remove the bleeder. Next, gently unscrew the old bleeder valve. It might be a bit tight, so use the correct size wrench. Once removed, check the threads and surrounding area for any cracks or corrosion. With the old bleeder out, it's time for the new one. Apply a small amount of thread sealant to the new bleeder valve to ensure a leak-free seal. Hand tighten it first, then use your wrench to snug it up, being careful not to over-tighten. Now, slowly refill your cooling system with the appropriate coolant, pouring it into the reservoir until it reaches the full mark. Finally, let's bleed the air. Start your engine and let it run until it reaches normal operating temperature. With the engine running, slowly open the new bleeder valve until you see a steady stream of coolant, indicating all air has escaped. Close the valve, top off the coolant if needed, and take your Chrysler 300 for a short test drive. Afterward, recheck for any leaks and ensure the coolant level is correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.